Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the brick rod for Fisch XP. This powerful fishing tool is essential for anyone serious about leveling up their fishing skill efficiently. We will cover the simple steps to acquire it, whether through crafting or purchasing, and then discuss how to best utilize it to maximize your experience points. With the brick rod, you can expect a noticeable increase in your Fisch XP, making your angling adventures much more rewarding and faster-paced. To acquire your very own brick rod, you generally have two main paths. The first is crafting, which usually involves gathering a few key materials like 3 sturdy wood planks, 2 metal ingots, and 1 rare gem, then heading to a crafting station. The second common method is purchasing it directly from a specialized fishing vendor. This option typically costs about 500 in-game currency units, making it a straightforward choice if you have the funds readily available. Both methods are designed to be accessible to dedicated players. Once you have your brick rod, it is time to put it to work and boost your Fisch XP. This rod is designed to give you a significant advantage, often providing a 25% increase in experience points per catch over standard rods. To maximize your gains, target fishing spots known for higher-tier fish, as these naturally offer more base experience. Additionally, consider using any available experience buffs or potions to further amplify your hourly experience rate, making your fishing sessions incredibly efficient. To truly maximize your fishing experience points, always keep your brick rod in excellent condition. A well-maintained rod ensures consistent bonuses. Look out for any in-game events that might offer temporary experience multipliers, as these are prime opportunities to fish. Don't forget to equip any other fishing skill-enhancing gear or accessories you might have, as these can stack with your rod's benefits. By combining these strategies and maintaining consistent fishing sessions, you will see your Fisch XP soar, making you a master angler in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.